AJ at Hogworkz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the front fairing on your 15 to 23 Road Glide models, and let's jump into it. All right guys, so for this you'll need a drill and some bits, and the bits you'll need are the 3/16 Allen, 3mm Allen, T27, T25, body pry tool, and a 3/16 T-handle Allen. First we're going to be removing the windshield, and you're going to need a 3mm Allen to do that. Okay guys, once your windshield and trim piece is off, you can pop this off, pull up and out, and the lower piece here, back. Now when you get to this stage, you're going to want to take some of your windshield bolts that you pulled out, 2 of them, put them back in the hole to hold the front fairing on while we take the rest of the hardware out. If you don't, you'll be buying a new front fairing from Hogworkz. And while we're up here guys, we'll unhook our turn signals. All right, next step, we're going to remove the speaker covers. You want to use trim tool to get underneath the speaker cover. Just pry just enough to pop them out. Make sure you have the white clips. Make sure you have your white clips. Next, we're going to do 2 T27s. Same on this side. Now we're going to swap out the T27 for our T25 and take off the air deflector bolts. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on this side, just the bottom bolt. Next we're going to take our 3/16 Allen and remove the screw that is holding the bullet light. Now we're going to do the other side. Now that you got your front fairing loose, take your windshield bolts while grabbing your fairing here, back these out. And once you get the last one out, your fairing is now loose. It's best to grab it under here. Right out. That is the front fairing removal on your 15 to 23 and select 24 Road Glides. Thanks.